GPIO pins in microcontrollers like Arduino Nano are general purpose input-output pins. They can be configured by software to act as either an input or an output. This allows them to be used for functions like reading sensor data as input pins and controlling LEDs or motors as output pins, or interacting with other devices. We have a look at the pins here. There are various types of pins in. These are TX and RX pins. RX pin is input to the serial port. TX pin is the output to from the serial port. RST is the reset. And GND is ground. D2, D1, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10, D11, D12. They are all the digital pins. And D13 is on the opposite side. You can see D13 here. And near the D13 there is 3V3, that is 3.3 volt output that I had shown yesterday. Then reference is the ADC reference. Then these are the analog pins A1 to A7. Then there is a 5 volt pin here which gives a 5 volt output, regulated output. Then RST, reset button, equivalent, reset pin, and ground, and Vin. Vin is the input voltage which can be given from an external power supply other than what you can give through this USB port. I have been using mostly this USB mini B, or some call it as micro B also, that I'll power usually from the power bank. Here you can see an LED which I was connected to D13, the digital 13 pin, which gives the output through a resistor to the ground. So if I switch on this Arduino Nano, incidentally this is the microcontroller board at it is either called as ATmel 328 or ATmega 328. If I zoom, it's rather difficult to see without a spotlight. Now it is clearly visible. ATmel Mega 328, the processor or the microcontroller within Arduino Nano, is seen clearly. The power LED is constantly on, and beside that LED named L, that is blinking at a rate of 1 per second, and the external LED is also blinking at the same speed. This is using an example sketch which is there in the IDE software, Arduino IDE software. You can change the frequency of blinking by editing the sketch, that is the example sketch. I had demonstrated it earlier.